It's day 80 of our series 99 Marketing Problems and 99 Marketing Solutions. Today I want to give you some tips on how to get more views of your videos. And that starts with when you post them. You need to post them at roughly the same time every day so viewers can count on that consistency. Speaking of consistency, you need to have a consistent host and a consistent backdrop, especially if you're doing a series of videos like this. That's why you've seen my mug for the last 80 days standing in front of this backdrop. Next, you need to come up with a quick intro and outro because, as I mentioned before, you only have a few precious seconds to get and keep people's attention. And finally, come up with a catchphrase at the end or even at the beginning. Something like, "That'll help you build your business and your brand." Make sense? I hope so. I think if you do these things, it will help you get more views of your videos. And that will help you build your business and your brand. Have a great day.